My husband is a 47 Chinook mechanic. I really think that if we can pull through this long time apart, I think it'll make us stronger. We both understand each other's jobs. I know what he has to do and he knows what I do. So we both understand that level of stress in different ways. But I think that this time apart has been the longest, and it's definitely trying times, and we're just trying to get through this together. So we're just hoping for that opportunity to spend time and wish each other goodbye in a different way with me leaving this time. I haven't seen him since October, so it'll be a year and 7 months until I actually get to see him if I don't see him crossing paths here. So we would both love the opportunity to be able to see each other and get to spend some of that time, because no day is promised. So whenever he does get to come through here, there's no pass from what I'm told, so I won't be able to see him on pass. And with the COVID, I'm sure he's going to be told the same thing. And if that's the case, it's going to be a really long year, another year with more holidays not being able to see him. So when my husband got on the bus and he went to leave, everybody was crying. All the families looking around, everybody was crying. My mom was crying, I was crying. But I turned to my mom and I said, this is the worst part. Everybody here gets to come home and welcome their soldiers off this bus, and I won't be here. So I told my mom that she has to take care of him when he gets off the bus, and I said the same thing to his mom and dad, just to take care of him because I can't be here. So